Go. Okay. Oh, you pooped. Okay, buddy. We've got to go. Bye. You gonna be okay? I don't want to leave you out here. I know. I know. No. Stay there. I bet you want to come over here, don't you? No, baby. Yeah? Go back there. Nope.
Let him be.
Huh?
Just let him be.
Boop. Boop. He's having a hard time standing in the bird seed. Okay, baby. Oh, no, I don't want him on your finger. He's just gonna crawl up. Told ya. Nope, don't do that. You're hitting. There you go. Oh. Yeah, he's gonna stay there. I tried. Okay. Bye-bye. Hey, beep. Okay, then. Bye, buddy.